Hey everyone, so thanks for tuning in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in today's video I am taking you guys on a shopping haul to get the essentials for this next wave of pandemic, if there is a next wave. If we go back into lockdown, I want to be prepared. Rather be safe than sorry. So if you want to know what I am getting, go ahead, stay tuned. Let's go. I received an emergency alert from the DeKalb government saying that people need to go out and wear masks and be safe or stay in the house if they could. It was really a confusing text, but the message that I'm getting loud and clear is that we may have to go back into a lockdown because the cases here in Atlanta, well, in Georgia period, are rising. And it was like 3,000 new cases yesterday. So like they are on a, they are panicking. But we should have stayed closed just like New York did. Shout out to my home state, New York. They did the right thing. They did the smart thing. And we should have stayed closed for a longer period of time. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. So I am out here. I want to be proactive and get all of my necessities today. So I just want to take you all on that journey to get my necessities. Go ahead, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and click on that notification bell. I want you to comment one thing that you're getting or you made sure you had during the pandemic. And I just want to also let you all know that this is going to be majority of household essentials. So let's go. So first things first, you want to get your wallflowers and stack up, ladies. If you don't have wallflowers, get your plugs, or you can get your Glade, whatever you want. But first stop, Bath&Body Works. All right, y'all. I got on my black party shirt. Isn't it cute? Yes. I'm going to link down below where you can get you one. But back to the matter at hand. I just went to Bath&Body Works and I went in there to get wallflowers and spray. What is it? House spray or fragrance spray or whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I went in there to get that, and I was able to get this spray, and I got hand sanitizer, but their wallflower selection is horrible. So I'm gonna have to go online and get their 5 for $26. They also have some wallflowers on sale, but I'm just gonna go online and get the 5 for $26 because that's what I usually get. But the scents that they had in there were not, no, it's just a no for me. So now I'm about to go into Target and I'm gonna look for some paper towels, some laundry detergent, and I'm just gonna go get some necessities, some things that we don't think about during the last time. Was things that I was like, oh, I should have bought more of this, and instead of buying more of this, I could have bought more of that. So let's go. So I am in the PJ section, and that's the one thing I forgot about is like bras, panties, and PJs, like more of them. But yeah, I don't see like no little shirts. Let's see if we can find some shirts. Well, this is cute, stay in bed. And then this one says sweet dream. Get to stock up on some towels and some rags. I love these rags for like face rags, and I always get them in gray. Like that's the best color, is the gray. All right, so you want to make sure you get you some tissue, your favorite brand. Also stock up on some deodorant, smell goods, and stock up on laundry detergent. I noticed that this aisle was full and Target was packed that day. I was so shocked about that. Get you some paper plates or some paper products. You also want to get some cough drops, some medicine,
and your paper towels, of course. And lastly, stock up on your feminine products, ladies.
All right, y'all, I know I look a mess, but I'm done shopping at Target. Now I'm gonna go into Marshall's to get my favorite candles. So make sure you get your candles, you get all your smell good essentials for your home. So while we're locked down, you can burn you a candle with some sage and get in good spirits. And clearly they still out here. Alright, so Marshall's didn't have much of anything, so I'm about to go to TJ Maxx, and clearly I'm on foot. Woo, it is so hot. It is really like 90 degrees out here, and this mask is not helping. But gonna go and see if TJ Maxx has my favorite candles. They should. But no, Marshall's. No, TJ Maxx, yeah. Make sure TJ Maxx has my favorite candles and get about 4 more of those, because I think I have like 4 in the cabinet, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So hey, and they have it. They only have 4 more left. Well, no, two more left. These 2. I thought this was it too, but it's not. So it's so hot out there. So I just wanted to come on and say I got everything that I could get as far as household. I didn't really get like a lot of pajamas, but I have a lot of pajamas already from the previous one. I'm probably gonna get like 2 more sets, but I couldn't find any today. Yeah, it's so hot out here. Like, my energy is so drained. But I gotta get back home because I got some classwork to do. And as y'all can see, it an awful lot. Okay, I'm actually gonna do an essentials video to show you guys everything I got on this haul. So be on the lookout for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe to me now. Is that red word that says subscribe. And if you would like to see more content like this, which I always post a lot of content like this, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified once I upload. But as I always say, y'all, stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Please take this pandemic serious. A lot of people are out here not taking it serious, but as of right now, they're not even allowing people in these stores to come in without a mask as of right now. Like, I know before they were like making it optional, but today, this is the first time I've seen them like say you cannot come in. So go ahead and get you a mask. Make sure you stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Remember, faith makes things possible, not easy. And as always, all my videos are made with love, Key.